What's going on, guys? Today we are continuing to work on Tucker, Mike's 2000 SF6. So where we left off last time was we got the old trans mount off, which is hella crusty. And we got this new Megan Racing one that is
Megan
super
Racing.
nice.
You see I'm applying some force here. It's not moving. And you got the old one. I'll put some force on it.
It's crusty.
This is the definition of crusty. This is what a 20-year-old, well, almost 20-year-old trans mount will do on a Subaru.
It's pretty loose.
It's you're shifting, and it's going boom, boom, boom.
You could probably pull that thing apart.
Yeah, I'm not gonna pull it apart though. But also, that stud broke. Not too worried about that nut. We got plenty extra hardware, so we're good on that.
Yeah, so we're gonna get the new trans mount in. We gotta torque down the bell housing bolts, torque down the motor mounts to the subframe, and then after that, we're just gonna be plugging and plumbing everything up, putting a new radiator in it, and hopefully turning the key tonight. That's the goal. We keep saying that every night, but you know, you guys know how it is. You guys, I'm sure you guys have worked on a car before. It never goes as planned. So this is what, day number 3, 4? 4. Yeah.
This is like day 3.
Other than that, yeah. We're gonna try to film as much as we can, but it is 28 degrees outside. It's probably like 40 in the garage, and this is the space heater we have. That's made for like a desk.
Space heater.
So I don't know. We're gonna try to film as much as we can, but honestly, we're just gonna be trying to wrench on this thing and just get it done as quick as possible. So we'll check back here periodically, and yeah, just go on from there. See you guys in a bit. So we just got the trans mount in, which you can kind of see.
Need the trans to come down just a tad.
Just a tad.
As slow as you can go.
This jack is a fucking bitch. Alright, you ready?
Ready. That good. If you recorded that, you're clipping it.
I ain't clipping nothing, boy.
That was full send.
That's how we do it. We send it.
Full suit.
We're doing things.
We're doing dings.
We're doing the things.
Doing dings. Hashtag rusty chassis.
Shh, it ain't rusty.
Hashtag crusty.
Shh, it's not crusty.
Hashtag rusty crusty fucking Aussie.
It's clean. I don't see no rust.
Clean on the outside. Clean, what's that song go? Clean on the
Yeah,
outside.
it's cream on the inside. What is it? Ice cream paint job.
Yeah, ice cream paint. We're gonna paint this cherry red, guys.
Alright. We're gonna... Whoa. We're gonna finish this up and then move on to the bell housing bolts. Making progress. EJ Unchained.
Volume 1.
Flame. It's free.
DJ Unleashed. Now
Yeah.
only $25.99. Buy you a copy.
Alright guys, we're gonna torque down the starter and bell housing bolts and then intake manifold and wiring harness.
We'll be back. Alright, so we just got this Megan Racing pitch mount. I'm trying to get it put in.
Needs impact.
Ooga ooga.
Ooga ooga.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna finish up the bell housing, torque that down, and do the intake manifold and the wiring for that. Right now Mike's doing a little bit of wiring up the harness, plugging some sensors back in. Every day we're like, alright, we're gonna start it up. But tomorrow's the day.
For sure.
It's been cold, we've been bitter. Been trying to film as much as we can. Do the radiator tomorrow too. Just a regular standard OEM radiator, Rock Auto. I think that's it. What did you say? Is it easy process? Easy 4 days?
Of course. Oh, cool.
He's a mechanic. That's what he does for a living. This is the first time I've ever really been. It's the first time I ever pulled an engine out of a car. So I was actually pretty surprised on. How, like, I guess not easy, but I thought it was going to be way more difficult than it actually is. Especially for Subarus. Everybody says that Subarus are like impossible to work on, but this just really goes to show if you got, you know, $350 for a crane and $75 for an engine stand, that you can do this yourself. It's really not that difficult as long as you got, you know, a couple buddies to help you out with it, and somebody that's a little bit experienced. If not, you can look it up on the forums. So yeah, I think this is gonna cut it for the footage for tonight. We're just gonna keep pushing forward and try to get as much done as we can before it gets too late. So we'll see you guys.